Hi, I'm Dr. Kurt Moody, Director of Clinical New Product Development, Research and Development at Johnson & Johnson Vision Care Incorporated. After you've successfully fit a patient with one-day ACUVUE Moist Multifocal, it's time to check their visual acuity, which I'll review now. Let's say, for example, the patient has a near vision or a distance vision complaint. The very first thing we'd like you to do is to conduct a modified binocular over-refraction. For many of this takes us back to our first or second year of school. It's a simple, quick test that you can perform in open space, binocularly, to see if you have the right distance power. Now just a quick demo of this binocular over-refraction method. Employing your +1 trial lens, once again, I'd have the patient look at the 20/25 distance chart. I introduce the +1 trial lens before the left eye to control for accommodation. So we're doing this test in open space, binocularly. Now, for the right eye, I'll introduce my plus or minus flippers. First of all, +1/4, asking if it makes it better or worse. If it makes it either better or worse, I would then introduce +50 to see if that indeed makes it better or worse. If neither the +1/4 or +50 makes it better, I would then consider using -1/4, just being careful not to introduce too much minus into this patient. Then we switch eyes. Again, the plus lens now over the right eye to control for accommodation. And again, the +1/4, is it better or worse or the same? The +50, better, worse, or the same? And then once again, considering the -1/4 only if the +1/4 does not make it better. The test is simply that quick. If you've achieved the right distance power and the right add power, and there still is a complaint, then we need to start a problem-solving exercise. This is outlined in our fit guide in the lens adjustment section. If the patient reports inadequate distance vision and has a low-low combination, then take the low lens out of the dominant eye and replace it with either one-day ACUVUE Moist Sphere or one-day ACUVUE Moist for Astigmatism. If the patient has a mid-mid combination, take the mid lens out in the dominant eye and go to the low add. In the mid-high combination, to enhance distance power, now we need you to go to the non-dominant eye and remove the high add and replace it with the mid add, but with plus 0.25 diopters more distance power. This is the only non-intuitive step, and the rationale is to improve the binocular summation while still maintaining near acuity. When you reduce the add in the dominant eye, you will reduce the size of the retinal blur circle. By doing this, you will get an improved retinal image and therefore better distance vision. To enhance near vision, there is one simple rule: add +1/4 diopter to the distance of refraction in the non-dominant eye. It doesn't matter if you have the low-low, the mid-mid, or the mid-high combination. The +1/4 in the non-dominant eye will improve near vision. If a patient has a near vision problem, the inclination for some might be to increase the add. Our concern with this approach is that it may compromise the distance vision. The overall message we like to leave you with here is small changes with this system equal big benefits. Once again, thank you.